What's going on, traders? In Nvcn, been holding this thing all day. This thing's a huge mover. I traded this a few times. First time I made some money, second time lost some money. Trading it again today, and not in Thinkorswim, but on E-Trade right here. Just a tiny position. I only put in like I think $250. So far up over $100. Not really taking profits on this one. I seen the first green day, you guys. This thing dumped for 4 days straight and went from like $1. Let me show you guys. Let me go to Thinkorswim and show you. This thing went from like 12 cents straight to 4 cents. You know, I was playing it all along the way. Today I got in it. Let me show you guys a daily chart real fast. I got in this thing yesterday because, you know, it's the first green day. You guys got to respect the first green day. And then I got in it on my other account today for a potential swing. You know, I suck at swing trading, but this was a low risk reward for me because I see a huge wall of buyers earlier. We have 1 minute till the market closes. Let's see what happens, you guys. I'm gonna watch this thing for a second. Big sellers right here, but we got some decent buyers too also right here. Buyers still stepping up because this thing could potentially have another green day Monday, so we're gonna hold this thing till Monday. But I'm up like 40% on this thing. Only put in $250, I think $260 in this tiny position. Like, yeah, 5,800 shares. Few seconds till the market is closed. Over $100 on this one. You guys gotta watch this one for Monday. Even if you don't get in it right away, but watch it for a good dip buy, because this thing has some nice show you actually a 1 minute chart from today. Look at this, or actually a 5 minute chart, so you guys can see yesterday and today. Look at yesterday, had a nice dip to support, went straight up. Today had a nice dip in the morning, and then let me zoom in a little. Have a little flag pattern right here, breakout, little flag pattern, breakout, little flag pattern, breakout, and this flag pattern failed. But guess what? Held all day. So currently up a little. Aftermarket buyers still coming in. Aftermarket huge seller just sold right here. So we'll see what happens with this one, you guys, for Monday. Keep this one on watch. Said this in my other video a few days ago that this could be a potentially good swing. 1, 2, 3, 4 days of dumping. It was 4 days of dumping. I was watching this, guys, every day for 4 days till the first green day. Good respect. Always respect the first green day, you guys, and the second green day. We can still see a third green day. We'll see. Maybe a pullback. Maybe some sellers. But this thing has quite a gap to fill, you guys. So we'll see what happens with this thing, you guys. Broke this trend. See, this is my trend line going down, and then when I seen it break the trend on this green day, I said, okay, this day could possibly break the trend. So be careful, you guys, with this one, because there's always a huge dumping when a lot of sellers take their profits, or a lot of short sellers got squeezed today. So this was the squeeze of the day today. Nvcn. Major short squeeze, you guys. Shorts were shorting this thing for 4 days. Eventually, you got to think of it, they're gonna eventually cover. So when they cover, and especially on the green day yesterday, when they cover, people start buying, and massive short squeeze, you guys. Today was a massive squeeze, you guys. A massive squeeze. Let me show you today's candle. Look at today's candle, you guys. Massive squeeze. All these guys that were short all this time from here started covering, and then maybe some shorts even added onto their position, thinking this thing is still on a downtrend. Huge squeeze today. Still going up after hours, so we'll see Monday, you guys. This thing could potentially hit 8 or possibly hit 9-10 cents in the next week. So keep this thing on watch. Maybe a good dip buy if you guys see a good wall of sellers. But be careful, you guys. A lot of dumps going on in this thing too. So Be careful with this. If anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, guys. Have a great weekend.